Step 10. Check your delivery and billing address. Before clicking Proceed to Checkout button again, we have to check and finalize the address information that we typed in a while ago in Step 9. In the Choose a Delivery Address, click the drop box icon and select an address title that you assigned a while ago in Step 9, where it contains your personal address and contact number. For example, I select my organic vegetable items. Inside of this contains my exact personal address and contact number that we assigned a while ago in Step 9. Below, you will see a checkbox icon. Use the delivery address as the billing address. Leave the checkbox icon checked if you want to continue and have the same delivery and billing address. While clicking and unchecking the checkbox icon will display Add a New Address button at the right side. Click Add a New Address button if you want to add more address and contact number, just like what we did in Step 9. Also, to separate billing address from your delivery address. But in this case, I will leave the checkbox checked, because I want my delivery address same with billing address. Below, you will see two columns, which are the summary or information of your delivery and billing address, in which you may check, compare, or update each information. If we look at the example, the delivery address column and billing address column has the same exact information, due to checking the checkbox below of the address title, where I want my delivery address same with billing address. You will also notice that each columns has their own update button. Click the update button if you want to modify or change your existing delivery or billing address information. Then you'll be directed again to Your Addresses tab to modify your existing address or contact number. In the last part, there is a text box where it's optional and you may add a note or comment to your order. For example, I will type in, "Call me first before you deliver my items on my location." Finally, click the Proceed to Checkout button to continue on Shipping tab.